Amy's Life. Chapter 10. Here, cried Amy, and stood up quickly. But, she was tall now, and chairs, tables and people fell here, there and everywhere. Put everything, and everybody back, said the king loudly. Amy put them all back in their places. Then the king asked, "What do you know about these tarts?" "Nothing," answered Amy. "That's very important," said the king. "You mean, unimportant, sir," said the white rabbit. "Unimportant, of course," said the king. "Important, unimportant, important, unimportant," he repeated. He looked at Amy carefully. He took a book and read from it. "Amy is more than a kilometer high, so she has to leave the room," he said. "I'm not more than a kilometer high," Amy began. "You are," said the king. "More than 2 kilometers high," said the queen. "Well, I'm not leaving this room," said Amy. The king's face went white. "Cut off her head," shouted the queen. Nobody moved. "You stupid woman," said Amy. She was very large now, and she wasn't afraid of anybody. "Cut off her head," shouted the queen. "Don't be stupid," Amy said. "Who's afraid of you?" "I'm not. You're only cards." The cards, all 52 of them, came down on top of Amy. She felt afraid and angry and started to fight them. Then she opened her eyes. She saw a tree, a big old tree. She was under it, next to her sister. Her sister's hand was on her hair. "Wake up, Amy dear," her sister said. "You slept for a long time." "Oh," said Amy, and then she understood. She sat up and told her sister about the white rabbit and the rabbit hole. When she finished her story, her sister laughed. "Let's go home to tea," she said. "It's getting late." "Oh yes, I'd like some tea," cried Amy, and she got up and ran home. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.